So in this video, I'm answering the question, what is tobacco scan data? If you're selling tobacco products, you very well know the big major players in that industry would be Altria, Reynolds, and ITG. All three of those manufacturers have incentives that they offer to merchants for participating in tobacco scan data program. Those incentives are of financial nature. In other words, they get money back for having to do the program. Now, what is the program? In a nutshell, it is a merchant sends transaction level data to those manufacturers as it relates to those tobacco products. So that's the baseline, right? So they have to be able to send transaction level data to the manufacturer regarding the tobacco products. So you have the ability to send the transaction level data. That's great. The second thing that you have to be able to do is now to issue discounts expressed exactly how they are stipulated by those manufacturers, because those discounts can be drawn against the funds provided by those manufacturers. And the only way to be able to get a reimbursement for the discount that you're issuing on your tobacco products is to be able to provide transaction level data and show in transaction level data in a valid format the discounts as they were being applied during transactions. Each manufacturer will have different programs, but they're all pretty much kind of like written in stone, right? In the sense that the terms and the requirements of the program for a customer to qualify for discount, for merchant to issue the discount and to report back, to be able to get the money back from the vendor or manufacturer are pretty much spelled out in a contract that manufacturers agree to abide by. CSI Works offers a product or service. I'd rather call it a service, right? It's called Tobacco Scan Data. We do the reporting. We provide you with an ability to have transaction level data be reported back to those manufacturers. And we can do this valid transmission with Altria, Reynolds, and ITG. We further provide you with an ability to issue qualified and trackable discounts based on requirements of the manufacturers that you're working with. When we're talking about discounts, there's actually even that gets broken down into different kinds of discounts, right? So the one nature of the discount is just basically, it's referred to as multi-pack or multi-can, but ultimately it's about buy more, save more type of scenario, right? Get 2 packs of something and you get an additional discount. The reason why I say it's of buy more and save more nature, and the other type is the customer is in play. Get a discount if you tell us who you are during the transaction and give us your phone number, right? So, and you'd see that in major retail operators that sell tobacco products, right? So if you are one of those users, you'd come up to the register and say, hey, I want to buy a pack of Marlboro. And there'll be insignia signs everywhere all around, be like, hey, give us your phone number, buy 2 packs, get a discount. Buying 2 packs on its own may give you a discount. Let's call that multi-pack. And then being a customer that's called a loyal customer by identifying yourself to the retailer gives you another incentive, right? Another discount. And so customer gets a discount, merchant gets more sales, and all of that then gets reported to the manufacturer in a valid qualified format. The retailer gets the rebate from the manufacturer. So to be able to do tobacco scan data on Clover, I strongly suggest that you consider CSI Works tobacco scan data product and service, because we will help you get onboarded with Altria, Reynolds, and ITG. We will provide you with all the necessary technology on Clover to handle the inventory, to handle the discounts and the multi-pack discounts and the loyalty discounts.